a chance to look at some numbers for him.
And during the last 5 games, he's been a force on the boards, really throwing his body at rebounds and trying to grab as many as he can. And that kind of effort has been noticed by his coaches and teammates.
And we have a minute to catch up with our reporter. What do you have for us, Allie?
Jason Tatum already an all-star, but he won't rest.
All right, Allie, thanks. Well, we see it almost every night, Clark. Another great backcourt matchup.
Well, B.A., this league is so stacked with tremendous guards. I mean, all-star caliber guards all over the league, and it really creates a situation where being able to choose guards for the all-star game is just virtually impossible to not leave somebody off that's deserving.
Here we go. Now the starting group for the visitors. Anthony outside. Shot clock at 5. Pulls up on the wing. Connects. The jumper drops.
And you got to defend better than that. I mean, that's a good look for him.
And you do not want to let him get going early because that can get you cooked.
Rebounded by Payne. The floater. And the layup falls.
Just taking it right to the rim, and no one was there to greet him.
Well, this early, they should be showing a lot more energy on defense. It's not there.
And here's the fast break. Can't get a second shot to fall. Now 1 of 2. About a minute and a half through the first quarter. Driving to the basket. It's rebounded by Wagner.
Well, you got to miss sometimes, but that one seemed like a gimme.
That one drops.
I like the play call. Very solid, making perfect use of the pick to get a great look.
From downtown. Nice start for him. Sinking his first shot.
He's consistent from out there, especially when you give him that kind of room.
And just under 2.5 minutes elapsed here in the first.
Probably not the shot they had in mind, but you can't fault him. He had a clean look.
Oh, plenty of contact on that shot. Officials call the foul, and he'll take 2 free throws now.
Shooting for the away team, John at the line for 2.
Then he drops the first. And so he makes both from the line. And a little over 2.5 minutes gone here in the first. Shot from the wing. Shot is good. Off the back rim and in. Gone 3 of 5 shooting so far. First quarter of play, and we're about 3 minutes in. Gone 2 of 4 so far. Count the basket.
That is super efficient, getting in deep and then taking advantage.
Can't hit that one.
You know, he looks a little off kilter to me this quarter, still trying to find his rhythm.
Nails it from three.
Slow defensive rotation causing a breakdown along the perimeter.
Pass to Anthony. And right away, they match it with a three-pointer of their own. 6 points for him.
This is just fun. These teams are trading threes back and forth.
Nothing like answering back. One team gets three, you fire three of your own. Boom.
Just 5 to shoot. From deep. The shot, no good. Gone 4 of 8 and looking in control. Lets a floater go. Yep, that one goes.
Boy, at the offensive end, his game is so impressive. I mean, he's a threat every time up the floor.
A lot of teams don't like to tip their hand too early in the season. Coaches like to keep a few tricks up their sleeve for later on, Clark.
As very well they should be. I mean, it's a really long season, and you're learning your team, so you figure out different things that you'd like to add later on in the season. And you really don't want to do anything that might give you an edge if you hold on to it until later down the road.
He's guarded by Anthony. Here's Bowen, blanketed by the D. He fights to the rim for the layup. Gone 5 of 9 from the floor. Can't hit from in close.
2 minutes remaining in the first. 2 minutes.
That one's wide left.
Oh, you have to love the spin move there, but he couldn't quite gather himself for the shot.
And that goes out of bounds. They'll keep
Away team
possession.
ball.
Let's take a look at the best defenses in the league over the last 10 games.
Over this last stretch, their defense has been airtight. The opponents have had a tough time executing at the offensive end.
.146 left to play in the first. 13 feet out, and he hits the jump shot. Shooting an excellent 56% in this quarter. Good on the bucket.
Good passing to set that up. Teamwork on display.
Gone 6 of 11 so far. You know, when Buddy Hield came into the league, he joined a select list of current and former NBA players that hail from the Bahamas. It's not a long list, but it's longer than you might think.
And what's incredible is Buddy did a fantastic job for the relief effort in the Bahamas after the devastating hurricane in 2017. His work to raise funds and resources for the people who were affected was so important to that entire nation.
56 seconds left in the first quarter. Over to the wing. Pass to Rogers. And stolen by Anthony. On the break. And he's going for the oop here. And the ball goes out of bounds. Turned over.
Well, that's a moment he'd like to archive. Embarrassing lapse of judgment there.
So it's the home team now. It's a three-point game.
They hit a couple big shots, but overall, there was a lack of consistency. Just not their night at the offensive end.
And you know what? If you're not going to outwork your opposition, then you typically are going to get outplayed.
Shot clock and game clock. 1 second differential. Six to shoot. From 17, they get it back. 1 quarter in the books, and it's been a close one. They lead by 3. Stay with us now as we get set to bring you quarter number 2 after this. close game through the first quarter. We'll see what happens here in the second. And what do you guys think about the visitors here in this one?
Simply put, they look totally fearless on the defensive end.
Well, you know, the defense, guys, is just disruptive, active, and energetic, and you can't afford to be loose with the ball against these guys.
The floater. The shot no good. Shooting the rock well at 46%. From the arc. Nails it from beyond the arc. 5 points in the game.
Good heads-up basketball. Sees an opening and capitalizes.
Pass to Rogers. Here's Bowen. Over Anthony. Knocks it loose.
So often we see guys fail to box out now, but he did a great job right there.
No good with a layup. To the left side wing. Just over a minute gone here in the second quarter. Blocked! Here's Robertson. Boy, he's been patient so far. Nothing yet on the scoreboard. Drops in the layup for two.
Assist goes to
Where's the rim protection? That's just too easy
home
for him.
team.
Boy, we've got an incredible amount of young talent in the league right now, Clark. Some who could go down as all-time greats when it's all said and done.
I can't disagree with that, B.A. Clearly outstanding talent, but this is cyclical. We've had periods like this before where there have been great young talents that have come into the league and taken it by storm. You talk about Antetokounmpo and Doncic and Zion Williamson, and there are tons of others, Devin Booker and the like. A lot of guys seem destined for Springfield, even in their early 20s, if they maintain their level of play for the next several years.
The fader. That one a little long.
I think in that situation, that was a nice try to create some space for himself with the fadeaway.
And the ball ends up out of bounds. And they'll keep possession. And now let's revisit that exceptional mobile one block.
You know, you can't ask for any better defense than that. He responded so fast to the shooter, and it stifled him.
into the lineup for your home team.
We're now about 2 minutes into the second quarter. 4 on the clock. Fade away. And the sweet roll that time on the rim. That one falls. He has 6.
No one there to contest. Didn't really need the fade.
Inside. And here's the fast break. Off the mark with the floater.
Well, we talk about the value of great rim protection. That's a shot he typically makes.
On target from range.
In order to create effective spacing, you need enough guys on the floor that can hit from downtown.
And about 3 minutes played now in the second quarter. The teardrop, and he lays it in.
If they keep finding steals like that, they won't be in the hole much longer.
To the paint. Here's Payne. Shots blocked.
Home team ball.
Gotten just 2 of 6 field goals to go in the second. Down low. Nice start for him. Sinking his first shot.
Good execution. They're getting some short-range looks here.
And in the second quarter, a little under 3.5 minutes played already. Five to shoot. And he drops it in from the low post. Gone 3 for 7 here in the second quarter. Just 5 on the clock. Pass to Wagner. The turnaround Jay. Missed it. Now 0 for 1 on this game. Gotten 4 of 8 shots to drop in the second. Oh, and that one, no question, powered it down.
How about the bounce?
We can call that bounce per ounce. Can't be denied.
He's a highlight reel, always on the launch pad.
Puts it up. Can't get it to drop.
Nice rebound. Trying to match the other team's intensity right now.
And that's a good place to start if you're going to try to find your way back into this game. Get to work on the glass.
Away team.
Got to give him credit for jumping on the ball and making the most at the other end.
Boy, inexcusable at this point of the game. They got to be more composed in these moments.
Exactly. I mean, when you're running neck to neck, those kinds of mistakes tip the scales.
Substitution for the away team.
Gotten over 50% of their shots to go. 5 for 9 in the second. Pass to Robertson. And he lobs it up top. Stole it away. Nice job to interrupt the alley-oop attempt. Three-pointer. And he finishes. That makes it 4 out of 5.
I just love the ball movement.
And there's 1:38 left to play in the second quarter. To the right side. To the middle. Lays it up and banks it in.
Assisted.
Give him 8 points now.
Looks like he's getting warmed up. Much better efficiency here in the second quarter.
We've got 1:08 left in the half. And it's in there.
Assisted by.
Credit their discipline. They've been working for high percentage shots.
The visitors with the ball. They've led by as much as 10. And that's his 4th bucket of the game in 7 attempts.
Now we're starting to see him deliver on offense. He's really found his tempo here in the second quarter.
There's 38 seconds left to play in the first half. Five on the clock. From the top of the key. Oh, and that one had the right spin on it. It's good. Gone 7 for 11 in the second quarter. Can't nail the jumper.
That's a decent look for him. He just couldn't convert.
And the first half comes to a conclusion in a game that's been very close so far. Up by 2. And don't go away. After the break, we'll see you right back here for the start of quarter number 3.
The 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Hey again, everybody. I'm Ernie Johnson. Shaq is here. Kenny's here. You're watching the NBA Halftime Show on 2K Sports. Checking out the visiting team. Kenny, give us your take.
Great work on the glass up there. They're hustling and showing more desire and boxing out. That's what they have to do. That's the recipe for success.
And big fella, let's get your thoughts on the home team.
Well, a lot of their points came in transition. They dictated the pace of the game. It was a fast pace.
And that's a wrap. With the third quarter approaching, we now send you back to Kevin and the crew.
Second half of basketball is upon us, and we may be in for an exciting finish based on how close of a game we've seen so far. Shooting 54% from the field so far in this one. He's guarded by Anthony to the inside. This for the tie! Deflected!
Yeah, still close, but with their tough play on the boards, we're certainly seeing the effort.
And that one falls. His 5th basket in 7 tries.
A great move. I mean, the defense has no response.
Yeah, if that's a harbinger of things to come, he's looking at having a very big second half.
There's the steal. Fast break. Here we go. Blocked. And that goes out of bounds. And they'll keep possession.
Checking in for the away team.
Oh, it's blocked. It deflects off the backboard. There's the drive. And he drains it. A solid 5 for 6 now. And if you're just joining us, we've played just over a minute here in the third. Right wing. Fades and shoots. Payne with the bucket. Payne's got his first 2 points.
I'll tell you, when he rises up to shoot, and with his height advantage, oh, he knows he's going to get a clean look.
You know, for me, it doesn't get any better than seeing big fellas who can use the mid-range jumper to their advantage.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. Out to the right wing. Goes back up. And it's Wagner missing.
Far from an ideal start here. I mean, this half just 1 for 4 so far.
Driving in. It's rebounded by Wagner. Gotten only 1 of 4 shots to fall in the second half. And he lobs it up. Very pretty alley-oop.
Oh, what a pass. Those two read each other really well.
Looks like a play they've definitely run in practice.
And as the receiver, he doesn't feel the need to go for the monster finish that time. I mean, laying it up for the 2 points worked out just fine.
Pass to Payne. Poke loose. Out on his own on the break. This for the tie. Rebounded by Payne. Gone 2 of 5 in this third quarter. Here he goes. It's rebounded by Wagner. Wagner's got 6 rebounds in the game. Clock keeps going. 3 minutes into the second half now. In transition, here they come. He launches a 3. Good. That's his 5th bucket in 9 attempts.
Oh, that's impactful defense right there. Finding a steal and
Timeout.
instantly turning it into offense.
Start it.
Get ready for the Gear Squad!
Just under 3.5 minutes played here in the third quarter. And they're pushing it up. He's got it. 6 of 10 now.
Very consistent tonight at the offensive end. Right there, he helps fuel the fire.
the turnaround, Jay.
No idea what they were thinking there defensively. I mean, that's a shot he makes often.
– 17-foot shot on the way. It's rebounded by Wagner.
That's the shot they wanted. It just didn't fall.
You know what? That's a confidence shaker for him, though. I mean, that's a shot he expects to make every time.
And that's on the defense, giving him a decent look. That's his shot.
Gone 4 of 9 in the third quarter. Takes it up with both hands and rips it down.
And plays like that one can make the difference in a close game.
And it definitely got the bench on their feet, too.
Making a statement for sure. I mean, we'll see if they can maintain that aggressive approach, guys.
That one falls.
You've got to box out on the boards. When you don't, that's what happens.
Two minutes remaining in the third.
5 to shoot.
2 minutes.
And it's going to be a 24-second violation. They turn it over.
Oh, in a game this snug, you can ill afford to commit those kinds of turnovers.
And that was a great replay we just saw of our mobile one block.
Oh, my. And that was textbook defense. Positioning himself well to send it back.
Gotten 5 of 10 shots to go. Pass to Rogers. For the lead. No good on the shot. Shooting 45% here in the second half. His first shot coming late. Count it. Good. Robertson's got his first points in this one.
Sensational ball movement there. When you pass the ball like that, good things happen. .107 left in the third quarter.
Here's Rogers. Looking for his first basket still in this one. The layup off target. Gotten 6 of their first 12 shots to drop in this third. Inside. Cuts off the pass. We've got 33 seconds left in the third quarter. You got a piece of it. From 12 feet. Oh, a big finish with a one-handed jam.
And I just love how he's making the effort plays that everyone around him appreciates.
It is certainly making an impact tonight.
Well, you know, if you're not going to take care of the defensive glass, it's going to be hard to come away with the win.
And we've watched 3 so far in this one. They lead by 6. All right, we're going to step aside for just a second, but join us right back here for the start of quarter number 4 next. And while we have a chance, let's go to our State Farm assist of the game.
Talk about painting a magnificent picture with that, Don. Just a great decision and a perfect delivery.
And they'd love to see every possession end this way. True team basketball.
Well, what a terrific game it's been so far, with this fourth quarter sure to bring more pressure-packed basketball. A chance to get a quick injury report.
And the report isn't good. It's almost certain to be a broken wrist. This could be a long and painstaking process, not something you come back from overnight, guys.
Okay, Allie, thank you. Boy, this injury definitely looks like it could be serious, guys.
Here's hoping it's not, but yeah, this team may have to get used to playing without him for a bit.
And in the training room, guys, I mean, that is not going to be an easy injury to bounce back from.
Puts up a 3. Knocks down the triple.
And the defense is looking almost lost on the perimeter. That opens up a quality three-point shot, and he delivers.
I think that might have been intentional. It perhaps was not an accident because he's typically not the guy that's taking that shot at this stage of the game.
Sends it home from three-point land.
Not sure what the defense was thinking. I mean, you can't leave this guy open from deep.
Rebounded by Payne. Payne's got 4 rebounds now.
He's been just a little off the mark tonight. Really the story of the game so far.
John.
And just totally relentless, only increasing the intensity level.
Yeah, I love the fact he doesn't play the score. He just keeps coming, attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal.
Ooh, poked away. Here's the break. Moving along, 2 minutes gone in the fourth. Misses from the corner. This is why you want ball movement and player movement.
And that's made it hard for the defense to key in on any one individual.
Can't cash it in from close range. Gone 3 of 4 in the fourth and looking confident on offense. Fourth quarter of play. We're about 2.5 minutes through it now. Six on the shot clock. Got it again. That makes him 8 for 15 for the night.
And he's coming off a huge performance, and his confidence
Timeout.
couldn't be any higher. And his coach knows that too.
Showing no signs of slowing or cooling down. They're going to ride him as far as he can take them.
Things just aren't going their way. He clearly wants to talk it over.
And you know what, guys? If for nothing else, just to slow things down a little bit, change it up somewhat.
Substitution.
All right, let's
for
get a
your home
report from
team.
Allie.
Thanks, guys. The head coach of the home team had some words for his team over the break. He's been really discouraged by their effort. He said, quote, "It's about want to, fighting through the adversity. Look at yourselves and ask, quote, what can I do to help us win?" He's laying down the challenge.
All right, Allie, thanks once again. Fourth quarter keeps moving along. 3 minutes gone by now. With the fadeaway. It's rebounded by Wagner. Wagner's got his 8th rebound here tonight. In transition. Uses the glass on the
Assisted
layup.
by John.
Over 3.5 minutes through the final quarter now. To the paint. It's blocked. And they're able to recover. Clock at 6.
I'll tell you what, they've rebounded the ball tremendously well.
Yeah, you look across the board, it's actually sizing up, shaping up to be a great game. I mean, strong performances throughout, and they've really been strong on the glass.
Uses the glass to finish the layup.
Rock the baby, working the size advantage inside.
Got 1 out of 6 shots to fall in this final quarter. Not ideal.
Timeout.
Home team.
Start it.
The loudest and craziest fans get a free T-shirt. Let's hear it, fans.
And now let's take a look at the New
Checking in
Balance
for the
player
away
of the
team.
game.
He was laser focused on his D tonight. I mean, reading plays, staying active, forcing turnovers, maximum effort. Defense like that has to be rewarded.
Boy, it's not hard to be blown away by his level of play. It's never easy winning on the road, but to do it in this fashion, that's a special performance right there. Defended by Payne. He's got a clear path. And he gets that one.
Balanced play has given them the lead and also quieted this crowd.
Yeah, you said the key word there, balanced. I mean, their big lead owes as much to their defense as their offense.
Nabbing another steal. And that's his 6th steal of the night.
Imposing his will at the defensive end. You gotta love it.
A minute 53 left in the final quarter. And the shot goes.
They have a relentless mentality, even with the game in total control.
And, you know, until that final buzzer sounds, I mean, you've got to treat every possession like it's crucial.
Tries to snap the cold streak. And the layup is good.
Want to score in the NBA? Picks can really force the D to make tough choices.
Going inside and scoring. That now makes him 7 for 11 in this game.
Absolutely ruthless. He's not about to start showing mercy now.
Guys, when you're this hot, it's elementary. Let it fly. Keep staying at it.
And the officials whistle a foul on the shot. The bucket is good, and he'll go to the line.
Leaving the defender behind. That's a hard screen to fight through. Somebody needs to talk to him.
And the developmental path for top prospects is evolving. Clark, it was recently announced a new high school league for the top powerhouses.
Well, you could almost see this coming, B.A. Again, creating additional pathways for young players to pursue their professional dreams would lead to other types of competition in the NBA. So we'll see how it plays out, but I'm not totally opposed to it. Again, it's a small percentage of players that would be part of this type of tournament or league, so let's see where it goes.
And the bucket is good.
And the defense has no one to blame but themselves. I mean, they just let him get right to the rim.
You know, he should be getting extra attention from the defense, not less.
And that one's good. Lillard.
Moving off the ball, Lillard spotting up, knocking it down.
Shooting 59% on this one, a good average. Wiseman over to help. Up top, Carter. Shot clock at 6. From 11 feet away. And he comes up with a bucket.
And guys, that's got to be the dagger. This is how you finish a game.
Yeah, what a time to put the hammer down. Any hope of a comeback? Diminished.
Count it.
Doing what he can to help shrink the deficit, but it has to be a team effort.
Just 1 second separating the shot clock and the game clock. No need to shoot. This one is done.
Yes, they've got to be happy with tonight's effort.
11 seconds left in the game. Primo. He drops it from range.
Primo.
They really came in with the right mindset today. I can guarantee you their flight home will be filled with some smiles.
Yep, to have a stress-free win on the road, very satisfying. The fans are... already headed for the exit.
And so the road team